culture versus society. One more common things which people get confused. Please remember, culture is all about values, norms, rules, festivals, art forms, dance, your activities, okay? Your activities form culture, whereas people interacting with each other form society. Very, very simple difference. Culture is all the practices, activities, values, rules. You take any activity of any particular society that comes under culture. Culture is not a person, whereas society is persons having relationships with different people, persons forming communities, persons forming interactions, persons forming collectiveness is society. So now culture is bigger or societies are bigger? Societies are bigger. Always remember, and this is one important thing like which every UPSC aspirant should understand. There will be some questions where some questions will ask about only cultural element, some questions will ask about sociological element, and students will mix both of them and write. They lose the marks. Later they will not understand why they lost the marks. Culture is just one form of society. Society is broader. Society is broader. Culture is just one element of society. Like this, we have different elements of society. One can be political element, one can be economical element, one can be technological aspect. Okay? Culture is just one part of the society. So you take some value of, you take a family. Family is considered as an institution or a society, whereas when you say that I am respecting elders in my family, that is culture. Respecting elders of a family is the culture, cultural trait of that family, whereas that family becomes an institution in a society. Very, very important. So always remember that society is a group. Culture is way of life of that group. Remember it like this. Society is a group, whereas culture is way of life of that group. How that group is living, how that group is celebrating, how that group is having some rules, regulations, norms, values. Culture differs from one culture to other culture. Societies differ from one societies to other society, but they both are not same.